Las Vegas, Nevada, home of the Wrangler National Finals Rodeo presented by Polaris Ranger. Round number 2 is in the books, and there were some, I think, some newsworthy items coming out of round number 2. Jeff Metters along with Butch Knowles, and I think for me it's Tuff Cooper and Sage Kimzey and the slow start that they've gotten off to at this year's NFR.
Yeah, I agree. One thing I think that maybe is a little better for Sage Kimzey, although he didn't get a score, he slapped his bull, he made a ride on the bull. So, you know, he's going to come back now a little more confident.
Pretty motivated. Let's take a look at the guys and the gal that did excel in round number 2 of the Wrangler NFR. You start with Stephen Peebles, who wants a world championship. He got the go-round win, 84.5 points.
What a great ride for Stephen Peebles, and everything he's been through from getting hurt here a year ago to there, that helped.
Co-champs in steer wrestling, Luke Branquino and Hunter Cure.
Yeah, Luke Branquino, we expect this, no question about it. That looked easy. But for Hunter Cure, it did not look easy. Look at his steer setup. Rolled him over that horn, knocked all the wind out of him. He still had enough left in him to finish the run. Good job.
Team roping, what a mix of youthful enthusiasm and veteran experience in Clay O'Brien Cooper and Derek Begay.
Yeah, Begay did a great job. Quick catch right there. They had a no time, so they're going to be fast every night.
I like that team. And in saddle bronc riding, the eliminators were out. Coburn Bradshaw, the Wrangler NFR rookie, gets the win.
Really impressive. I mean, he's off to a great start. He's placed now in both the first go-rounds and won the rank bin. That's good.
Co-champs in tie-down roping, and both these guys in the hunt for a world championship.
Hunter Herron, he's amazing. This guy is so fast and so solid, and he travels with this guy, young Marty Yates. So you don't think good feeds off each other? They do. Great run, both splitting the round at 7 and 5.
That'll tighten things up. In the barrel racing, Michelle McLeod, 4th in round 1, gets the big check in round 2.
You know, she didn't get a chance to ride Slick a year ago, so she is happy to be back on him. Obviously, it's paying off. For the second night in a row, she gets a check. This time, though, it was the big check.
But the biggest check of the night went to this guy, Clayton Fultine. Out of 15 bull riders, he's the only one that made the whistle. He gets all the money.
Yeah, he's only going to get to count 26,000 of it towards the world standings, but the rest of it, he counts right to his bank, all $86,000 of it.
That is a lot of fun.
Yes.
Keep in mind, round number 3 of the Wrangler National Finals Rodeo comes up tonight. It all starts at 10 Eastern. You don't want to miss it. Right here on CBS Sports Network, the 24-hour home of CBS Sports.